of you. So I'm going to say yes.
It was very tight. I'm going to say yes.
You're an expert on this. I think it's totally up to 10.
As a dancer myself, I feel there's growing that needs to happen. It's a no from me.
No one can deny you brought it.
Do you find then if you watch a dance act that you're especially critical of that then?
Most definitely.
Do you need to do warm-ups?
I never warm up.
You never do.
I just go, I'm just on and off.
Cool.
It was a little bit like dancing around in your living room. Wasn't my thing, man. Nah, sorry. It would take something that we've never seen, something out of this world.
Yeah.
And not necessarily technically.
Just because you didn't make Black Swan, you're never going to let any dancers through.
It's time to go smash it, babe.
Sweet, thank you.
Enjoy.
You better.
Hello there. Hi, sweetheart. What's your name?
My name's Tommy Franklin.
Where is home for you, Tommy?
Home for me is Byron Bay.
How did this act come about?
Well, I've been dancing since I was a little tacker in the lounge room with Mum and Dad.
Okay. And do you love the feeling you get when you're doing this? Is that why you do it?
When I dance,
Yes.
sweat,
Yes.
aka salty rain, goes out of my beard.
I can't wait.
Yeah, I know. I'll get outside. We'll give you
Am
some-
I going to feel your salty rain?
The forecast is looking good. But, yeah. When I dance, I feel so much joy. It's just spurting out of my pores. It's so beautiful having my mum and dad here today to support me, because my life has been very up and very down and very up and very down.
You're the star, and I'll wait outside.
You're my star. At 16, I fell into the trap of drugs and alcohol. I haven't always been the best son, and for them to come here and be proud of me.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. It's just like... It's just a funny thing to go out there and, like, do something that's so intimate. Because I haven't really succeeded in many things in my life. And it's like, I feel so much joy when I dance.
Tom had a bad accident and hurt his legs. It was I don't know, you could call it a wake-up call.
He skated down our driveway one day. When he got to the bottom, the car collected him, and he ended up on the other side of the road. He was in intensive care for a couple of weeks. Had a ramp built in the house so he could get his wheelchair down. And that's when he came into his own. He actually saw the light.
I just want to dance, and I want to, you know, one smile at a time. I want to change the world one smile at a time.
Okay, well, spread the happiness, Tommy.
Okay, here we go.
I want him to be really, really, really good. Come on, babe.
Thank you.
Tommy! Thank you so much for that. I caught
My
some of that
absolute
happiness. Tim!
Oh, Tommy, I am riding your wave, brother. I actually couldn't help myself. Like, I had to get up and dance. And I feel that's what you do when you dance. You get people up, and it's just, people don't have control. And that's a beautiful gift that you have.
I felt like I was raving at, was it Byron Bay? I was like, woo, yeah. Did you feel his salty rain?
Wait.
Right, Tommy, we're gonna vote, okay? Kyle.
We have to wonder, do we ever want to see it again? What they are saying and what I am saying is absolutely yes, I want to see it again.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Say yes, brother.
Tommy from Byron Bay, I never want it to stop. 4 yeses for you.
How many yeses?
4 yeses.
Baby, how did it feel?
Really good.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Head on through.
Mwah.
Well done.
Cheers.
Oh, salty rain, I loved it.
That was just joyful.
It was pure.
And he was so happy.
Imagine if everybody was like that in this world.
Exactly. We all need a bit of that.
They all got you. They got you. We're so proud of you, Tommy.